Before we get started, I just want to take a minute to remind everybody how special each and every one of you is. You're a unique beauty, unlike any other, and I love you. No, I'm okay. I'm not sweaty, it's just my natural glow. I mean, it is kind of warm in here, don't you think? You sure it's not warm in here? Okay, fine. Honestly, I'm just terrified. I hate flying. I try meditating, I try breathing techniques, but flying is just something my coping strategies do not help with. Yeah, I know. I don't usually tell people, because growing up, I took a lot of flack for my anxieties. So, even though I know mental illnesses are more expected, I'm still afraid of the get over it reaction people used to spout at me. How are you so calm? Right? Well, it's impressive. When someone is able to hold their own like you in a stressful situation, it's pretty cool. It just doesn't always happen for me. Oh, it's nice to meet you too. I just wish it was under better circumstances. I guess the person in the middle seat didn't show up. Yeah, if you want to, you can put some of your stuff there. I don't mind. Oh, no. Oh my gosh, I hate turbulence like this. I hate this. Talk to you about what? I'm gonna go visit my family. Yeah, I have a few cousins, aunts, and uncles over there. What about you? That sounds nice. I've been there before when I was younger with my parents, but I haven't been in years. My great aunt is turning 90, so I thought now was the perfect time to go. I mean, it's a huge milestone, so I thought it might make her happy if I was there. I haven't seen her in person in such a long time. You want to help me? How? At this point, I'm up for trying anything. That's easy. Pancakes. Yes, I would pick pancakes over waffles any day. I know you can get extra syrup in the divots, but I just like the soft texture of pancakes. It's a mouthfeel thing. Plus, the last time I had waffles, they tasted very eggy. It just means more waffles for you and more pancakes for me. Well, fine then. Okay. Well, what superpower would you want to have? Interesting. I really like those ideas. Me? I'd want to be able to survive in any environment. So, like in space, a volcano, the ocean, falling from a metal coffin called a plane, Right, not supposed to be thinking about the plane. I would have to say my most embarrassing injury was getting a mild concussion just doing laundry. Hey, don't laugh, I'm serious. It was a set of stacking washer and dryer. I didn't open the dryer door all the way, so when I was moving things up and wasn't thinking about it, I slammed the back of my head into the underside of the door. I had to go to the hospital and everything. Really? Yeah, I was on concussion protocol for a good 3 days. The headache and tunnel vision were the most memorable parts of those 3 days. What about you? Wow, really? Oh, that would suck. Okay. Pizza or nachos? I know it's not very original, but it's all I could think of. So what would it be? Really? I'd take the pizza. I mean, nachos are great, but pizza all the way. What? Oh, no, I'm not dating anybody. You? Two single Pringles over here. Sorry. I don't know why I said that. I'm such a dork. Oh my goodness, we're so gonna die. Deep breaths. You bet me? You bet me that we're gonna make it. Seriously? What are you doing? Yeah, I'm looking at you. The first thing I notice. Oh, you're very close. Okay, now you're taking my hands. Your hands are nice and warm. Yeah, breathing in and out. Tell you what I see. You have really pretty eyes. I don't even know how to describe their amazing color. I feel like I could get lost in there. Wow. Honestly, that was probably the last thing I would have guessed might happen right now. I'm not thinking about dying anymore, that's for sure. I am wondering, do you always just kiss terrified strangers to help them out? Oh, just the cute ones. So you think I'm cute? I wouldn't mind if you did that again. You were right. We made it. Wait, I never agreed to that. More importantly, you never even said what was on the line. Really? You want my number? That's all you want. No, that's not it. I would love to give you my number. You were so kind and you really helped me. Not to mention that was a great kiss. And I mean, we did just make out, so I'd like to see what would happen. Yeah, at our next run-in. I'm kidding. I am really serious about wanting to see you again, though. Here. Yeah, that sounds great. Yeah, let's get out of here and get our bags. What do your bags look like? Oh, bright orange. Well, that'll thankfully make them pretty obvious. No, I've got family picking me up. One of my second cousins, I think. Yeah, I can never remember how that works. But I guess that's not really that important. Do you have a ride? You can drive here? That's pretty impressive with all that traffic. Yeah. I hope we can meet up again soon, too. You know, I think I like planes now.